Welcome to this week's Torah lesson. This week's Torah portion is Parsha's Vayeitzei. The question of the week is, why does God hide from us? So in this week's Torah portion, we learn about the way Lavan, Yaakov's father-in-law, comes running after him after he left with his family, and they have an interaction, and after their interaction, so Lavan goes back home, and Yaakov goes on his way. So the question is, why does Lavan go back home? Why doesn't Yaakov go back to Lavan? So the Rebbe explains something powerful, and he says like this. We know in Kabbalah it says that Lavan, even though in the Torah it describes him as a unique individual, but nevertheless in the Kabbalistic level, Lavan was called Loiven Elyon. He was on a very high spiritual level. Yaakov, his work in the house of Lavan, as we know, was also interesting with the sheep, Akudim, Nekudim, Brudim, which all refers to very high spiritual levels. Like the Kabbalah says, Akudim is a level where it's all one. Nekudim is referring to many dots, is referring to the world of Toyu. And Brudim is referring to the world of Atzilus. So Yaakov experienced a tremendous relationship with Loivan Elyon, this very powerful highlight, and dealing with all different levels of where everything is one, Toyu, and the world of Atzilus. And then when he leaves, before he leaves, Loivan Elyon, this powerful light, meets him again. And once he meets him and Yaakov gets what he needs, now it's time for him to go on in his journey in life, and he leaves Lavan, because if Lavan would be with him, he wouldn't be able to live on his own, he wouldn't be able to experience his own experience and do what he has to do to transform the world. So the answer to the question, why does God hide from us? So that we can stand on our 2 feet. But remember, even when God is hiding, before God went into hiding, just like Laban came and gave Yaakov everything needed on a spiritual level, Hashem gives us everything we need so that we can succeed even when God is hiding from us. This week's class is dedicated to the memory of Baruch ben Aryeh Leib, Shlom ben Yosef, and Rachel Bas Lipa. May their souls be elevated by the Torah we're studying in their memory. For more information on Chabad, please see our website, chabadswf.org. Have a great and blessed week. Shavua Tov.